Oh, he's mad na. Hi guys, today we're going to the splash pad today in our backyard. I think it's gonna be really fun. See you guys there. So just what Ate said, they're going to the splash water here in our back. Then they brought their ball, their bouncing ball, so they can play with it while they are in the splash pad. So yeah, look at them, they're playing right now. You forget the ball, guys? It's okay. It's not gonna hurt you. There's the dead. Is that squirrel? No, it's a squirrel. It's not raccoon.
It's a squirrel. I know.
Dead squirrel. Poor one.
Yes! Yes!
Okay, so this is what they're looking for the whole morning. Hi.
Where's the ball? It's what? It has to get wet.
Are you gonna stay long? Maybe they can only play for half an hour because it's pretty hot in here and we don't want them to get burned. So yeah, it's pretty nice here. Actually, it's windy. The air is nice. Guys, you scream a lot. Let's for the water. Wait for the water to splash. Are you licking the water?
Yes.
How does it taste?
I am the queen of the castle.
Is the water tasty?
Huh?
Is it tasty?
No. But I am the queen of the castle. I am.
Ate, you're peeing.
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. I don't see this long.
Just kidding.
I am the queen of the castle. I am the queen of the castle. No, don't drink my water. It tastes like shit. Look at me.
I don't like that word, Ate.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Come on, get on. Okay. Wait, is this glass?
Guys, I don't think it's good that you're climbing there. Can you go down, please?
Yes, sir. I am this.
Over there, the water is splashing. Go. Ate, take off the stick. Oh my god. Go, get it. 10 minutes left, guys. What are you doing?
He's making the ball dirty.
He's smashing the ball.
Ew, that ball is dirty.
Guys, before we get home, would you mind wash the bowl?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay, you have 5 minutes. 5 minutes left. Tell me why.
It's moving.
I know.
Where's the secret hole?
It's dead.
There it is.
Oh, he's upset again.
I'm gonna put the ball up in water.
This boy here has a lot of rage. He's a lot of rage, ate. Dimension. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. That's it. Oh, he's mad now. I like that part. Run, Josh, run! Run! Don't run at me! Ay! Everyone! No! Go! I love you too, but don't! No! I'm wet now! Go! No, ate, not here. Go. Go back.
Carla, give me 10 seconds to run. 10,
Go.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Go,
4,
Josh!
3,
You're not running.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, I'm wet. Oh, okay, he's upset. He's upset. Are you upset? Okay, ate, stop it. Okay, go. I said stop. Guys, not at me. Wash yourselves, please, before we left. Turn on the water. Quick. Okay, one last splash. Indy, you're not turning it on. Okay. No. Ate, how was your experience today?
It was good. Dindin laughed a lot. He was laughing like he was a clown.
I think he's having fun.
I know. We were climbing up that thing, so I guess it was really fun.
I saw.
Exciting.
So, Dindin, anything you can add?
Yeah.
So, what is it?
I just tasting me.
She's teasing you all the time?
Yeah.
That's normal?
I was chasing him.
Oh, you were chasing.
Yeah,
I saw that.
With Auntie there, Auntie chased me.
Okay. So far, so good, right?
Yeah, when I'm in a new dimension.
Oh, you're in the dimension. I saw that. I hear that you're in a new dimension without me. That's so fun.
And I get to see water there.
Aha.
I'm sad.
All right. Why you're sad?
It's sad because it didn't come with our dimension.
I know. Should I come next time?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All right. So we'll see you next time.
Bye. Bye. Have a nice 2 days.
Have a what?
2 days.
Pool day?
Cool.
Pool? It's not a pool. It's a splash. Have a nice splash day.